Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 24th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we have a lot. Well, first of all, we have a lot of dollar news coming out, CPI inflation data, most importantly. Now, I'm definitely still very bullish the dollar because I mean this is definitely an uptrend. I still think there's a chance it might go up and eventually sweep both of these highs. So I still think there's a better chance that even if it does push down a little bit, it's probably going to at least end up pushing up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels, most likely at least going up and grabbing some of these higher liquidity areas. Now, don't get me wrong, with this big news event coming out today, this could be like an A, this could be a pullback to the move down like a wave B. It possibly could make another push down, but I'm not really too confident that is what's going to happen looking at all the dollar pairs. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is where I see what looks like a nice five waves up. And then we have Impulsa down. We have what looks like three waves up. So I'm thinking this is like an A, the first move down. This is three waves up for a B. And I think that we might already be in a wave C. So if that's true, then maybe we will, get a little push down, grab some liquidity. But overall, I think that this is going to end up continuing back up because we have five waves up. We have what looks like a three-way pullback forming. And that should lead to another impulsive move to the upside, probably grabbing some of that higher liquidity that I was talking about on the daily. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.